Hey guys, welcome back to Upclick. In this video, I'll be showing you or be discussing with you Cash App games that actually pay out in 2026. But first, check a special offer in the description. So, let's get started. Now, if you're looking to stack up some extra money right into your Cash App account by playing mobile games, well, in this case, there are a few options here that you may want to know. Now, there are a lot of noise out there, but you can absolutely earn some legit side cash here. Now, in this case, the biggest trick here, or you need to know upfront, is that most of these games that we'll be showing you don't transfer directly to a Cash App with a single click. Now, instead, they pay out through, well, what we call PayPal, digital gift cards, or virtual prepaid cards. So, as long as you have a fully verified Cash App account and links a debit card, well, like a PayPal card or a prepaid card, you can seamlessly move these earnings straight over. Now let's go ahead and start discuss the very first one here. Now let's kick things off with one that you may want or you may like here. So in this case, you definitely want to check out Misplay. Now it is awesome because it essentially gives you a massive reward points just for trying out cool new mobile games on your phone. Now you can just play like you normally would, rack up some points, and then easily redeem them for PayPal Cash or virtual cards to send over to Cash App. Now, another huge favorite is Swagbucks here, so quite similar to a Misplay. So while a lot of people know it for online shopping, cashback, and quick surveys, it actually has a fantastic selection for mini games and it's incredibly reliable. And once your earnings stack up here, you just cash out to PayPal and transfer the funds right into your Cash App. Now, if you prefer something a bit more competitive and skill based, well, we have what we call Solitaire Cash. Now, it's an absolute blast here. Now, you get to compete against other players in fun tournaments, and if you win, you can convert those earnings into instant Cash App transfers the moment you clear their payout threshold. Now, in this case, along those competitive apps out there, we have what we call Bubble Cash. Now, in this case, Bubble Cash here allows you to enjoy a game in a fast-paced environment. So, in this case, basically, which is a super addictive bubble popper game made for iPhone and Bingo Cash. Now, which puts it in the fast-paced area, like what I said before. Now, in this case, it's also in the skill-based spin on Classic Bingo, so both of them offer actual cash prizes and make it incredibly easy to withdraw your winnings. Now, for a massive variety of options out there, all in one place, we also have what we call Free Cash. Now, which is another platform that you may want to check out. Now, it is beautifully combines mobile gaming with quick offers, surveys, and tasks. Now, a ton of players here love it because it's super simple to get started, and you can easily move your money over to Cash App once you hit their minimum payout milestone. And also, finally, we have options out there, like, for example, we have Inbox or Inbox Dollars, Quick Rewards, and Cash App. Now, for Inbox Dollars here and Quick Rewards, well, these aren't your typical traditional games, but they are fantastic reward hubs where you can play casual games, answer fun quizzes, and even watch videos and take surveys. Now, Quick Rewards here basically is especially great because it offers instant payouts, and the second you hit their minimum or their low minimum. Now, Cash M all works similarly by giving you steady rewards just by playing free apps. For all these, you just stack your points, tap the PayPal cash out options, and send the money straight over to your connected Cash App account. Now, in this case, just to give you some realistic heads up here though, so you do have to put in some consistent time to hit those minimum payout thresholds on these apps. Now, you won't be making enough to quit your day job, but if you just want to have fun, laid back way, or have a laid back way here to turn your downtime into real spendable cash, downloading a few of these is an incredible easy win. But that's about it. So if you found this video, hit the like and subscribe button and watch our next video.